Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into a powerful yet budget-friendly automotive diagnostic tool, the Foxwell NT500. If you own a Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, or Seat, this scanner might just become your new best friend. The Foxwell NT500 is an OBD2 diagnostic scanner specifically designed for VAG group vehicles. Unlike basic code readers, this tool goes far beyond reading engine trouble codes. Inside the box, you get the NT500 unit itself, a durable OBD cable, USB cable for updates, a user manual, and of course a protective storage bag. How it's performed today we will know. Also, it's have more feature. It can scan every major system: engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, climate control, instruments, and more. You get real-time sensor data in both text and graph mode, helping you detect irregularities quickly. Service functions: NT500 supports special functions like EPB, electronic parking brake, maintenance, DPF regeneration, SAS calibration, oil reset, throttle adaptation, great for DIY mechanics and professionals. VAG exclusive features. It can access VAG specific modules and perform advanced operations that many universal OBD2 scanners simply can't. If you drive a VAG vehicle and want a reliable, feature-packed scanner without spending dealership-level money, the Foxwell NT500 is a fantastic choice. It's powerful, accurate, and easy enough for beginners to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me. See you in the next video.